Alamin kayo.
Okay, paano?
Hindi ganun yun. Figure lang.
Let's go to gate 107. Doon pa ata yun.
The whole team was already in China 10 days before our flight because kailangan nilang practice and all. So, sumunod na lang kami to watch the game day. So, we got our ticket last minute for 15K round trip to Shanghai plus yung visa pa kasi usually late na nalalaman if pasok sila to compete sa LAN event. So, usually rush talaga lahat. We weren't able to book a flight na direct to Shanghai kasi mahal na yung ticket. So, yung nabook namin na flight, mayroong layover to Shenzhen, China. And I think we arrived there almost 6 a.m. the next morning na. So this is tomato and egg, rice, and miso soup. Hi guys! Kasama ko ng aking Joma. Hello!
Hello!
So, dito na kami sa hotel.
Yeah.
It's 2 p.m. Meron silang practice dun sa hotel. But, sabi ko, mag-Starbucks kami. Check namin yung Starbucks. Hello! Guys, meron kaming nakita ditong kababayan. Kababayan! Magkano po ice cream? Sige, punta. Bye-bye!
Kahit red light pa. Tawid na!
Bro! Yabang niya porket
Joke!
porket ano mo to, home court.
No! Dapat, alam mo, yan o, green light, stoplight. Tapos yan pa.
Ano?
Pag yung-
Anong explanation yun?
Pag yung left turn, nag-red na, green na tayo. Tingnan mo.
Okay.
Ano ko na to? Home court ko na to eh.
Guys, home court kasi to ni skirt kaya medyo mayabang siya eh.
Ano? Ito, red na.
Hindi mo natin sinabi kung nasan tayo.
Oh,
Wait,
green.
Wait lang.
We're in... Hindi ko alam.
Ano ba yan? Shanghai.
Shanghai. Akala ko itong place.
Daming charger dito ng electric. So, ilan yan? 1, 2, 3.
Kanya-kanya.
Oo nga, isang buong ganyan. Sa Pilipinas kasi,
Sana all.
dalawa lang yung chargeran. Tapos lagi pang puno. So, di kami makapag-charge. Wala pa akong sleep. So, gusto ko comfy. Comfy lang. May ganito din sa Philippines. Usually, hinahanap naman yung wala sa Pilipinas. Yun yung bibili
Yeah.
namin. Cute! Parang
May ice.
mochi.
Oo.
Cute.
这个多少？
这个是178，它有8个加一个包，
可以，这个
单个买吗？单个没有，
哦，
它是整
八温刀、辣刀，
Pak siya.
我也
它是 like this 放进去，哎，好多去
Belgium，
，yes OK，
中北没有，First impression
Saan?
sa Shanghai。
Gusto ko siya kasi malamig. So, yung lamig niya parang yung aircon na gumanon sa'yo. Mga naka 20 degrees. Tapos gumanon sa mukha. Ganon siya. Eh, ganon yung gusto kong malamig. Yung malamig, tas may breeze. Breeze.
Ang sarap pag may maamay.
Oo. Yung parang kahit maglakad ka, di ka mapawisan. Frap siya.
Tabi sa ato.
This is Belgian chocolate. Belgium chocolate. Diba?
Tabi. So right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen.
So we're going downstairs. Ooh. Fancy. Oh, so nice.
This is
So this is the venue. Pero hindi pa game day. Nagpa-practice sila. So, on Sunday, dito kami manonood. Yes! So cool!
What? No. Oh, you did the our hotel?
Why not? Why we're not screaming in the hotel?
Guys, huling-huli. She's eating again.
I buy you. One more.
I just control myself.
Hey guys! So si Skird, umorder siya ng skewer. Una ko itong natikman nung na-Chengdu kami. So ganito siya. Ganyan. Ano siya? Pork or chicken or beef. Tapos parang siyang barbecue type.
Uh, 12:40.
So guys, lunch tayo today and tayo ay magbabike. Hey, yun si Skird. Naghahanap pa siya ng kanyang bike. Pero medyo scared ako magbike. Pero maganda dito kasi meron silang sariling bike lane or motor lane. So hindi ka mahahalo sa mga mabibilis na sasakyan. So, we're here at Manor Coffee. Gusto ko mag-coffee today. Pero yung chill coffee lang. Okay, so we're gonna pay using Alipay. Pay? Okay. And that's it. Pero nagbibili siya dun sa, I think para itong milk tea. So, si Skird, umorder siya sa Chapanda. Ano yung order mo?
Ito.
Ano yan?
Raw cheese brown milk tea. This is me.
Sukiya. Dito lang din siya malapit sa hotel. So, 1 Chinese yen is 9 pesos ba? Oh, is this eggplant, bro? I like eggplant. Okay, so ginagamit kong VPN dito sa China is Let's VPN. So parang isang 1 week is around 200 pesos. So mabilis siya makakonect. So ganyan lang siya. And then up to 2 devices yung pwede mong i-connect. Kasi bawal yung Messenger, TikTok dito. So pag naka-VPN ka, you're free to use it. Ayan, so you can access TikTok na. So, ito na yung order ko. This is yakiniku don.
Beef.
Beef yakiniku. Yeah, it's...
Beef yakiniku.
And then, Skird ordered steamed egg. Yeah, add-ons to.
Steamed egg.
And then, oh, your favorite. Yeah, Skird's favorite. Clam soup. Buti may clam soup sila dito. And pickled radish or something. Of course, yung kanya mapo tofu.
Sabi niya?
Ayan, may pahabol pa siyang dumpling.
Hi there.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Ni Susano.
What the fuck? Shared?
Also,
That behind. What's the color of it?
Oh, I think it's better on the blue.
yeah.
I think the blue on the jersey.
Okay, go sign dyan.
Anong color ba to?
Gold.
Good. And it's behind.
The golden show.
Ay, ang cute. Ang ganda. It's nice.
Nice sign.
Kabahala.
Yung sa akin na kunin mo, para kasi hindi ako nakakasay din.
Yan.
Bagal mo si.
Ang bilis mo kasi.
Guys, meron silang hero no, na bagong release. So, wala pa si Skird nito. Try natin siyang bilhan. Oh, ang gusto kong makuha is this. Ang cute. Or, ano, ito ang cute din ng shark for this. Okay, sabi na natin si Skird ng Pop Mart. Kasi favorite niya to. So, this one is a mug. Sa Shanghai lang daw siya nabibili. Kaya, binili ko na bagong release na series. Yay!
Oh, this seems to be. Ito na lang.
What is that? So, ito yung coffee nila. They have... What is this? Hindi ko alam. Cha. Grape juice and then orange juice. Oh, they have bread here. So, pwede mo din i-toast. Nice. Shall can you give me that? And then... They also have yogurt. Strawberry. So, meron silang noodles. Wala silang rice here. Oh, bacon, sausage, this one. And I also have milk and coffee. What you got?
Wala akong makuha. Ang lala.
Hindi niya kasi yung mga breakfast here.
Puro gulay na hindi ko maintindihan.
Eat gulay, bro. Guys, sabi ko milk. Ewan ko anong kinuha na skirt for me. This is it. Is this soy? Oh, sarap! Soy milk! Favorite king soy milk. So, nung nag-Taiwan kami, dun ko na-start. Like, super gusto ng soy. So, this one's hot soy milk.
Hola! Hola
We're going to the venue. Are we gonna win? Are we gonna win?
Are we? Yeah!
Hell yeah! We have shuttle bus. Ano ba yun? See? Hi! Are we gonna win, guys?
Yeah.
Chinese teeth now. Smile.
Scouting muna.
Style power? Yeah, 10%.
Uy!
Yeah, it was me.
May banner sila. Today is the big day. So, game day today. And here's the booth. Yung pasukan. Nakaban ka na.
Not yet. Pagkaano na? Pag-queuing na kami dun saan. Yung isa-isa na kami. Kaya na isa-isa pa naman walk-out.
Sa isang walkout.
Tapos ang tagal.
Kaya mo yun.
Propose pa daw. Lala.
You can do it. So, gagawa tayo ng banner for late. We got the pens. Parang kang pangit. Alright, so nag-create na kami ng banner. And dinrawing namin sila. And now we're gonna eat. Hi! We're gonna eat now.
Yeah, that's why. Karma.
Karma?
Bye-bye na yung...
Yeah, it is.
Good luck, guys! Good luck!
Good luck, everyone. Let's go.
Good luck, Lucas!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Luck!
而且对比这帮好就给建立起来了。等量爆点，前往现在赛中心观看决赛直播，抽冠军武器卢卡斯自钻绿光，红魔电竞平板3 Pro 的好礼。每局比赛结束呢，还有投资黑暗瞬间。
Wow! We're gonna win, guys. Yeah.
cheer?